Okay, let's take a look at this guy. I'm just gonna these joints out of the way. Yeah, I think the armor thing it's a tricky compromise because you want to have freedom of movement and then simultaneously have this thing keep its mass, and it's going to be a sort of compromise between the two. But I think, yeah, you've done pretty well with that. Yep, the head's doing well so far. Where is his neck control? It's like, oh, is it this big one here? Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah, that's working well. Yep, that's working nicely. That's doing about what I'd expect it to do. Good. Yep. Now I could, well, probably does need to make that stretch. I could show you something interesting you could try instead if you wanted to keep, for example, this object rigid. So so what I do is a skin unbind, and then let me just hide this for one moment. Control Shift H, and then I need a. I think I can do this with a vertex like that one, and then I go to constrain and create a rivet, and now that rivet will stick to that point on the surface, although it doesn't seem to be doing it as perfectly as I would have imagined. In fact, it seems to be a tiny bit offset to begin with, which is weird. Anyway, and then just to show you the idea, and then what you do is you select this locator that it's created, and then shift select that object, and you can do constrain parent options and maintain offset and add, and then yeah, it's probably not. That's probably worse because yeah, that one it seems to be moving with pretty well. And see, the point is that that thing doesn't stretch, but the stuff underneath it does stretch. So I think probably you're not going to want to do that. But I thought I'd show you as interesting. Anyways, I showed it earlier for like buttons. So maybe skip that one. Yeah, but everything seems to be working pretty well on this guy. Sorry. So yeah, let's just check the feet real quick. Whoops. Oh, yep, that's looking good. You got that all working nicely. The knees pointing. Yeah, I mean, I really can't find anything to improve on this one. I think you've done a really good job.